So you find all the souks.
Grand Souq Deira, located just steps from the Spice Souk's entrance.
Herb souk. So we are starting at the herb souk.
Once we enter the Grand Souq Deira, first souk is the herb souk you will see. Toys, household items, and a wide range of gifts are available. Deira traditional souk area was founded in 1850. Now includes a variety of markets that have been restored to showcase their original architecture. This is an excellent shopping destination for gifts and traditional Arabian products. You can see unique Arabian lanterns and traditional UAE clothing. It is the perfect place in Dubai for souvenir shopping. Trays, perfumes, shawls, and other fabrics, and also spices are all examples of what you'll find in this market.
Welcome, ma'am. You like some spicy saffron?
We are heading closer towards the Gold Souk in Deira, Dubai. Welcome to the Gold Souk, Dubai's most famous and visited souk or the market.
Let's enter the gold souk.
So first shop we are going to cover the Guinness World one.
So let's have.
The world's heaviest gold ring is Najmat Taiba. The ring is mounted with 5.17 kg of precious stones and set on a 58.686 kgs of 21 karat gold ring. The total weight of this ring is 63.856 kilograms.
Look at this the size of the gold.
$23,000 this piece.
This is Jumeirah.
Here we come at the jackpot. The huge, massive. We have to check this out. Let's go. Whew.
The bangles.
Where is this?
The bangles. Oh, look at this.
Gold price today?
On price?
Yeah.
For 21 karat, 194.
194, 21 carat.
21. 194.
And 22 is?
22 I didn't have. I have only 21.
You have all 21. So
Yes,
all
sir.
those accessories are 21 carat?
Everything.
All 21, no?
21, yeah.
Nice.
So this gold house jewelry.
Yeah, you need to check it out. They have some really good collection. Look at this gold house.
So here also, it's a huge display. That's why they are telling that Dubai is the safest country. They can display whatever they want, gold, diamond,
Yeah, and
whatever they want.
it's so yeah. Huh?
Look at this. Oh my god. Wow, look at that crown.
I think we entered from section gate 1 and now we just covered one section from gate 1 to 2, one side. So we're gonna go from gate 2 towards the third section. Let's see what else we can show you guys. Okay, I think this is, we need to try this is ice cream. This is how they juggle with the ice cream.
So fast. And this. Oh. No, still no.
You have got to try it out.
Thank you. Dr. Habib, shukran. Thank you so much. So we had to take this way.
Section gate 3. Take with you.
Yes. It's also finished from this is the end.
Let's maybe.
This is definitely got to be on every tourist's itinerary, even though with no intention of making a purchase. The souk operates at the current market price of the gold with added labor charges. So basically the gold price is fixed and you can bargain on the labor charges, but always barter on the price. Dubai gold market sunk almost 10 tons of gold every day. Both the locals and tourists must visit Dubai's nearby souks, and one can even get the world's cheapest gold ornaments from these markets. Dubai Gold Souk is made out of different covered back streets that started from a significant patio. Aside from that, the adjoining streets are covered with the shops selling countless gold frills. One of the things that make this particular market stand out from the crowd is the fact that there are many stores there that sell platinum, diamonds, gold and silver. There are over 300 shops in this bustling location. Keep in mind, since 2018, Dubai has 5% VAT levy on jewelry sold throughout. But the good thing is tourists can claim 85% of the VAT at the airport under the tax refunds for tourist scheme. But it must be purchased from retailers with tax refund tags on their shop windows.
To take some fruit juice. Okay, look at this one.
Which one? What is that? Mango? Orange?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, we covered already Gold Souk. So stay safe, take care. Catch you in next video. So guys, please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos. Stay safe, take care guys.